Hi moms and dads, Miss Lewis here from VLC, and today we're going to be talking about something that I get a lot of questions about. And the question is simply this: how do I choose the right school for my child? So whether your little one is just starting out or you're exploring a change because something isn't working, I trust that this video helps your decision making to be just a little bit easier. So let's start with some truth. There is no one size fit all. The right environment depends on your child's learning style, your family values, and the kind of support that you need as a parent. Yes, you heard me right. The kind of support that you need as a parent. Oftentimes you're thinking about our kids, which we must, but I want to encourage you to recognize that you must also think about yourselves, and you must also think about what support do you need as a parent, because that's an integral part of it as well, yeah? So let's talk about 4 key things to keep in mind when choosing a school or learning program. And the first thing we want to talk about is the learning environment. Ask yourself, is this a space where my child feels seen, safe, and supported? So those are 3 S's: seen, safe, and supported. Children thrive where there is structure and warmth, where you have teachers not only delivering content, but also building relationships with them in the process so that they're able to receive it. So the first thing is learning environment. You want to make sure your child feels seen, safe, and supported. Second thing, curriculum fit. Check if the curriculum is age appropriate and aligned with your national standards and flexible enough to meet where your child, where he or she is at. For example, we use MOE aligned content, but we also tailor instruction based on the learner's own pace and based on the learner's own needs. And so this helps in making sure each student is met at their own stage and they're able to progress. You have to know what does your child need, so that way you will be able to make an appropriate decision, yeah? Thirdly, support systems. What happens when a child is struggling? The right school, meaning the right school for you, would have systems in place. Systems for reading support, systems for emotional regulation, and even screeners for things like dyslexia or ADHD. So support should be part of their everyday culture, not an afterthought, not something you're trying to do because, but part of their internal structure at the particular institution, yeah? Excellent. And fourth, but finally not least, parent partnership. Does your school prioritize your role as a parent? You should feel as like a valued partner, not a passive observer. So you're looking for clear communication, accessible staffing, and programs that equip you and your child. So here's your takeaway. Choosing your school isn't just about uniforms, and it's not just about test scores. It's about fit. It's about the fit that says it's the right thing emotionally, academically, and culturally. So if you are unsure, then visit the space, talk to the teachers, trust your instincts, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask, Miss, Sir, what's your approach to children who learn differently? The response to that one question can tell you a whole lot. So if you're exploring full-time or hybrid options, of course, VLC offers a range of programs designed for children who need something a bit more flexible and a little more loving. So feel free to message us anytime. We're going to help you talk through your options. Remember, our email address is theliteracycenter@gmail.com. You can get us through WhatsApp 3308341 or call 2721987. So until next time, moms and dads, keep showing up, keep asking those questions, and remember, you know your child best. So trust your instincts, and all the best as you get ready for the new academic year. Take care.